Hinges are still nice and free, I was worried about them. Only a couple of bolts, it's only just held in place, should be easy. Well, I reckon that's terrific. 35 years in an open lean-to, and this was the end open to the weather, so quite amazing. One down, one to go. Same again. Outside's good. Light surface rust on the inside, a bit heavier this than the other one, but that should come up terrific. So, great result. Happy. Big day sanding tomorrow. Front guards have come up well, sanded them back, took the guide coat off, and looking pretty good. A little bit of touching up to do, but I think they're going to be okay. So next up, tackle the doors, I think. So let's get some doors off. First one off. Let's have a look. Very good. Excellent. A little bit of surface rust here and there, that's all. Okay, doors off. May as well have a look at under the bonnet. Style rod colour on the firewall, so, and that's still in excellent nick. Just a bit of a clean up and I think that'll come up great. All the black needs a bit of attention, but nice and easy, of course. Under the bonnet, excellent. So I'm very lucky after all these years.